So, okay guys, in MT5 to MT5 Copier, the first thing we are going to do is to come to Controls. Then you click on Connect to MT5. So you enter the path of the MT5 you want to copy to. So this is the target account where the MT5 will receive the trade from another MT5. So you enter the details, then you click OK. You can see it says Connected to MT5 account. So this is our target account. So when this is connected, you will see Disconnect MT5 right here. So you don't need to click on Start Trading here because this is for Telegram Copier. So you come to MT5 to MT5 Copier. So what you want to do here is to click on Configure MT5 to MT5 Copier. So you enter the paths of the other MT5 which you want to copy from. So this is the master or the source account, while the other one is the target account. So this is the first MT5 we want to copy from. So MT5 terminal paths will be here. So you enter the login details of that account you want to copy from. So the lot multiplier should be 1 if you want to use the exact same lot size on the source or master account where you are copying from. So if the lot size is 1 lot size and you enter lot multiplier as 1, it means that it's going to trade the same lot on your source account, which is 1 lot size. So if the multiplier is 2, it's going to be 2 lot size instead of 1. So your source MT5 account will use 1 lot size, while your target account will use 1 lot size if you enter 2 here. So it's just like the lot multiplier is the lot size on this account multiplied by whatever is here.
So then the symbol mapping is the symbol on your account on your target account. So if we have XAUUSD M on the target account, you enter it here. You put it here. So then the copy delay should be 1 second. Leave it as 1 second. Then the trade comments, you can put your name here. You can put anything there. So then the monitoring server, you leave it as it is. So you click on OK. So it's telling us that we are connected. So we'll click on Start MT5 Copy. So this is our MT5. This is where we want to copy from. This is our source account, and this is our target account. So on our source account, if we enter a trade on our source account, this, for instance, so if we take a buy trade on our source account, it's going to reflect on our target account. As you can see, it reflects almost immediately. So if we adjust the stop loss and we adjust the take profit also, it's going to reflect on our target account. So as you can see right here, we have our stop loss and take profits being adjusted. So you can see it right there. So that is how it works.
So with this, you can copy from MT5 to an MT5 account easily, and using a VPS will make the process much faster than using your main computer. So make sure you get your VPS from us. So guys, as you can see right here, you can see WilliamsForexRobot VPS service. So we have the 2 GB RAM for $12.95. So we have 4 GB RAM for $19.95. So the 2 GB RAM is enough for you. So it's enough for you to host this trading system to copy your MT5 to MT5 and Telegram to NT5. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll post more about this trading copier soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and join us on Telegram for weekly license to this trading copier. So thank you for watching,